Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access device settings. Now click on connections over here and select Bluetooth. Click on the switcher if it's not already on to activate it, and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, you need to tap on the one that you wish to connect to, wait for the pop-up and select Pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them though, you can always do that by tapping on the square icon next to the device and selecting Unpair. Then confirm your choice by tapping on Unpair one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!